test. Hold on. 3. When your cable company doesn't work, you get angry. When you get angry, you go to blow off steam. When you go to blow off steam, when your cable company is not working, you get angry. When you get angry, you throw things. When you throw things, you go to blow off steam. And then when you get angry, you go to blow off steam. When you go to blow off steam, accidents happen. When accidents happen, you get an eye patch. When you get an eye patch, people think you're tough, and they want to see how tough. Then you open a roadside ditch. Mirror on the wall. Who's the hottest of them all? I do not have ADD. My doggy. Oh, I just want to take you anywhere that you would like. We can go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there. Baby, I'll take you there. Oh, tell me, everything you love on. You can get anything that you want. Baby, just shout it out. Baby, just shout it out, yeah. And if you want me to. Hello, guys. Hi. How's it going? Okay, well, today's Thursday, and this is going to be our video. Our vlog. Yeah, because we're going to start vlogging. Vlog diggity box. Vlog diggity bossy. Yeah, but we only have 30 seconds to do this because, yeah, but we'll be posting more. We'll like combine them together, so we'll have another video continuing on with this one. So, yeah. Bye! Hello, fellow YouTubers. How are you today? How's it going? I feel like talking like a man, but it's not going to make me sound like a man because our voices are squeaky. It's going to be a squeaky man. Oh, yes. Okay, but anyways, this is our continuous vlog that we're going to smash together. Smosh. So, yeah. And we will be making Wednesdays and AKA Aaron Danielle of the mountains. Did you know when for Australian words, ankle biters means little kids? You learn everything new every day. Why are they called apartments when they're all stuck together? Nobody knows. No one really doesn't know. I want some of that delicious body. If I told you I wanted your body, would you hold it against me? Why? Joey tells us to be quiet during fire drills. Will the fire hear us? No, it won't. No, it won't. Why do we wash towels? Aren't we clean when we come out of the shower? Why do we put braille and vending machines? Blind people can really see what they're trying to buy. I think I said that wrong, but I don't know. Okay. No, I don't really know.